Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're diving into Rainbow, a versatile tool found at rainbow.me. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to streamline and enhance your workflow. Whether you're managing projects, collaborating with a team, or simply organizing your personal tasks, Rainbow has something to offer. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and utilize its various functionalities, regardless of your tech proficiency. From task management and project tracking to communication and file sharing, Rainbow consolidates numerous essential tools into one convenient platform. This centralization can significantly reduce the need for multiple apps, simplifying your digital workspace and boosting overall productivity. One of the standout features of Rainbow is its flexibility. It can be tailored to fit the specific needs of individual users and teams, allowing for a truly personalized experience. This adaptability makes it a valuable asset for a wide range of users, from freelancers and small businesses to large corporations. Beyond its core functionalities, Rainbow also integrates seamlessly with a variety of other popular apps and services. This interoperability further expands its capabilities and allows you to create a truly interconnected and efficient workflow. Imagine effortlessly connecting your project management tools, communication platforms, and file storage services, all within the Rainbow ecosystem. Finally, Rainbow places a strong emphasis on security and privacy, ensuring your data is safe and protected. This commitment to data integrity provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on your work without worrying about the security of your information. In a digital landscape where security breaches are increasingly common, this is a critical consideration. So, if you're looking for a powerful, adaptable, and secure platform to manage your work and collaborate with others, be sure to check out Rainbow at rainbow.me. It might just be the missing piece in your productivity puzzle.